Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Windows 11 is updated and your audio drivers are current. Make sure your headphones or speakers are connected. USB and Bluetooth behave differently than 3.5mm. Once connected, open Settings, go to System, then Sound, and select the output device. From that device page, click Additional Device Properties or Spatial Sound to reach format options. This first step prepares the system, so spatial sound options will appear and behave correctly when you enable them. Now enable spatial sound and choose a provider. In the Device Spatial Sound dropdown, pick Windows Sonic for free processing or select Dolby Atmos/DTS if you have app licenses or enabled manufacturer apps. Once chosen, click Configure or Open App to finalize license prompts. Make sure to set the output format in Advanced Properties to a compatible sample rate and bit depth. Mismatches can disable processing. Also, check app volume and device preferences to route specific programs through the spatial and finish by testing and refining. Play a known spatial audio track in Movies and TV or a supported browser page and listen for directional cues. If using head tracking, enable and calibrate it in the provider app. Once satisfied, save settings and reboot to lock changes. If audio is absent or sounds normal stereo, try this troubleshooting tip. Reinstall or roll back the audio driver, toggle the spatial provider off and back on, and restart the Windows audio service. That resolves most provider handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.